Whatever the cost may be, we shall fight on the beaches.
Everything you just saw in the video has been created using AI, from the visuals to the background music and even the sound effects. Yes, I was able to create this awesome looking trailer with AI for absolutely free. Take a look at this channel. It has nearly 600,000 subscribers and it only posts AI movie trailers like these. You can see that all the videos on this channel got crazy amount of views. And if you're wondering, yes, this channel is fully monetized and is earning thousands of dollars every month. And you can do the exact same thing to earn money from your Faceless YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create awesome videos like this using only free AI tools. I will try to keep it as detailed as possible and will also include links to the tools I'm using in the description. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. We will do this in 6 simple steps. Step 1, selecting a topic. This part is completely up to you. You can choose any topic you like or take inspiration from other channels. For this video, I'm going to make it based on World War II. Step 2, creating a draft. Once you've picked a topic, it's time to create a draft for all the scenes in your trailer. Decide how many scenes you'll have and the order they'll come in. For me, World War II is a very fascinating subject and my knowledge on this is pretty good. So I was able to create this draft on my own. But if you're new to this and don't know where to start, let me show you how to create a draft like this using ChatGPT. Now, to get great results in ChatGPT, you need to give it a good prompt. So let me show you a cool trick to generate professional prompts in ChatGPT every single time. It's very simple. Go to ChatGPT and type the following. Act as a prompt engineer, review this prompt, make it better for optimal results, and ask me if you have any questions before proceeding. Then paste your original prompt and hit enter. Don't worry, I will put this prompt in the description. If ChatGPT asks for clarification, just reply with your answers just like I did here. After that, it will give you a professional prompt for the best result. Isn't this awesome? Now copy this prompt, open a new chat, paste the prompt and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will create a very professional script for your video. You can either use this script as it is or make some changes to it as you see fit to make it more interesting. Step 3, generating images. This is one of the most important parts of the video. Without good images, you won't be able to generate great videos. We will use an AI tool called fl.ai to generate the images. It uses Flux 1.1 Pro, which I think is the best option to create realistic cinematic images for free. You will need a GitHub account to use this tool. If you don't have an account, simply go to github.com and create an account. Once you are done with that, open FLAI by clicking on the link in the description and sign up using your GitHub account. Once you sign up, they'll give you $1 worth of free credits, which should be enough to create all the images we need for our video. Now this is the main interface. As you can see, it's very clean and simple. Now we need to give it prompts to generate images. Make sure your prompts match the scenes in your draft. For the first scene, I will be giving it this prompt. Then click on this more button and select the 16:9 aspect ratio. Then hit generate and here is the result. You can see it looks really nice. If you're happy with the result, you can download it or you can regenerate. Now you need to repeat this step until you generate all the images required. Here are all the images that I have generated. Step 4, generating videos. This is the most important part because if you can create great videos, your chances of going viral are much higher. To turn the images into videos, we will use a free tool called Minimax AI. It's the best AI video generator I've ever used. I've already made a detailed tutorial on how to use this tool to create amazing videos. Feel free to check that out. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up with your email. After signing up, you will get 3 days of unlimited free video generation. After that, there will be some limits, but it will still be free. Now to generate the video, first upload the image for a scene by clicking here, then enter a prompt. I'll give it this simple prompt and hit generate. And this is the output. Just look at the result. It looks amazing. Trust me, you won't get results like this from any other AI video generator. This one is the best. Let's do one more. This time, I'm using this image and I'll give it this prompt, then hit generate. And here's the result. This is so amazing. If you show this to someone, I bet they won't even realize it's AI generated at first glance. It is that good. Now I'll repeat this step to generate the videos for all the scenes. And you can queue up to 3 tasks to speed up the process. I know the generator might be a bit slow due to high demand, but hey, it's free, so no complaints. And if you want faster results without watermarks, you can consider purchasing their subscription. I will honestly buy a subscription for this because this is too good. Step 5, generating the background music. Now having good background music is very important because it helps add emotion to the trailer. Good background music can help your video go viral. To generate the music, we will use a tool called Suno, which is by far the best AI music generator available. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up for Suno using your email ID, and Suno will give you 50 free credits to generate music. After that, click on create, then turn on this custom option. Next, turn on the instrumental option and write the music style here. I will write these styles and you can just copy them if you want similar music, then hit generate. Here's the output. Let's play it and listen to it. Wow, that was awesome. To download it, click on the 3 dots, then click on download and you're done. Step 6, editing the video. We'll use CapCut for editing because it's free and easy to use. If you're in India, you can use Proton VPN, which is free for life, to access CapCut. I'll put the link in the description. First, open CapCut and import all your video clips and the music here. Next, drag and drop the background music into the timeline. After that, drag and drop all the video clips into the timeline one by one, making sure they're in the right order according to your draft. This step is very important, so make sure you do it right. Now for the duration of each screen, I am doing it in sync with the background music since we have no voiceovers, but you can do it however you like. Once that is done, we need to add some transitions between the clips. Now in order to put transitions seamlessly, you can take reference from other popular movie trailers. I have taken inspiration from the Oppenheimer trailer. This will give you an idea of when and how to use transitions effectively. To add a transition, go to the transitions tab and look for the black fade transition. Then drag and drop it in between the clips. Now to adjust the length of it, click on it, then set the duration to about 1 second from here. And now I will use this exact same transition on other clips, and you don't need to add transitions for every single clip. You can leave some without transitions just like I did. Also, I am using only one transition type, but you can experiment with different types. Just make sure they are subtle and simple. Now it's time to add some text to make it look like a real movie trailer. To do that, go to the text tab and drag and drop a new text layer into the timeline. I want to show a text during the intro scene, so I will adjust the length and position accordingly. Then from here, I will add this text, change the font from here and adjust the size accordingly. Next, I will copy and paste it, then change the text to this and adjust the size and position. After that, select both text layers, right click and select create compound clip. Next, make sure the text layer is selected, then go to animation, and for the in animation select fade in, and for the out animation select fade out. Then from this section I will increase the duration of the in animation to 1.2 seconds for a smoother flow. Next, I will use this exact same method to add some text during the outro of the trailer. Now for a few scenes I want to add some vocals to create a more dramatic effect. So I have downloaded a few speeches of Winston Churchill from YouTube. Just search for Churchill's World War II speeches and you will find so many of them. Now I will just add the audio clips and place them accordingly wherever I feel there is a need. This step is not necessary, but it can give your video a more professional tone, which can garner more views for you. And now we need to add some sound effects to take this to the next level. Trust me, these kinds of small details matter a lot and separate your videos from the rest. We will generate the transition sounds through 11 labs. Simply go to 11 labs, then go to sound effects. And now all you need to do is describe your sound like I did and click generate. As you can see, it has generated the sound for you. Let's play one to preview. Wow, that was nice. And to download it, click on this download button. Now I will repeat this step and generate the sounds that I need. Next, come back to CapCut and add all the sound effects one by one according to the scenes. This step is very crucial, so make sure you place the sounds perfectly. Now to adjust the volume, click on the sound clip. Then from here, you can adjust the volume and also add some fade in and fade out effects to make the flow even smoother. And now we will add some filters to make the visuals more cinematic. First, go to the filters tab and look for the clear filter, then drag and drop it into the timeline. Then adjust the length of it to match the entire video and change the filter intensity to about 85% from here. Next, look for the Oppenheimer filter and add it to the timeline. Then adjust the length and change the intensity to 35%. This will give your video a cinematic look. And finally, our trailer is ready. Now all you need to do is click on this export button and export the video. Now let's play it to see the final result.
We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and in the streets.
Down, mein Name, dass ich nicht in diese Down.
To the house, and I said to those who joined the company, I have nothing to offer but blood, toil, tears, and sweat.
Wow, that was absolutely amazing. I have uploaded a more refined version of this on my second channel. You can go and check that out if you want. I will put the link in the description. I was able to create this in just a few minutes using AI for free. Now imagine the kind of content you can create with a little more effort and creativity. Trust me, in today's AI world, you can do almost anything you want. You just need to have the will to do it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.